Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to use Calm app on your phone. Let's get started. First open the Calm app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, scroll down and you will see a few main sections: meditate, sleep, music. Each one help you relax in different ways. Let's start with meditate. Here you can choose from short or long meditation sessions. Step the one you like, hit play and follow the voice guidance. It's perfect for reducing stress anytime. Next, tap on sleep. To find sleep stories and relaxing sound, pick a story or sound, press play and it will help you fall asleep peacefully. Under music, you will find calming tracks and nature sound. These are great if you just want to focus or relax without a guided meditation. Finally, the program sections offer longer courses on mindfulness, stress or gratitude. You can follow them day by day to build healthy habits. And that's all. Calm is simple to use and it helps you relax, sleep better and feel more focused. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.